My carrots are now washed and cut in small pieces, and I'm now going to add this to my boiling water. So I'm going to boil these until they're fully cooked. Add about a tablespoon of sugar to my carrots. With a pinch of salt. Boiling for about 20 minutes. So I've just turned the stove off and I'm going to allow this to cool a little bit before I proceed to blend. So I'll be blending my carrots with the same water that I boiled it in, and we will be consuming everything that we're looking at here. We won't be discarding anything because the carrots are now soft enough to be able to blend out smoothly and drink without any issues. I'm super excited. So my carrot is now blended. I'm going to add the rest of my ingredients. So I'm going to add my Guinness. I'm adding 1 entire bottle of Guinness. I'll be adding some rum cream as well. Next up, I'll be going in with 2 tablespoons of vanilla, 2 teaspoons of vanilla spoons. There's a bit extra over there. I'm going to add some nutmeg. I was going to add some grated nutmeg, but then I decided to use my powdered nutmeg, seeing that it's a drink that I'm making. I don't really want to have much grains in there, so I'm going to add some powdered nutmeg instead. Right, so the brand I'm using is this one. This smells so good. Wish you guys could smell it.